Good morning, everyone. As we navigate the complexities of the contemporary world, we are confronted with a great number of challenges that demanded our attention and action, from climate change to social inequality. These issues are interconnected and require multifaceted approach to address them effectively. In my journey through contemporary world course, two moral values have resonated deeply with me: empathy and environmental stewardship. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, is a cornerstone of human connection. It allows us to step into the shoes of others, to see the world through their eyes, and to appreciate their unique perspective in a world often divided by differences. And empathy serves as a bridge, fostering understanding, compassion, and cooperation. Consider the refugee crisis, a global challenge that displaces a million of people from their homes. By cultivating empathy, we can move beyond fear and prejudice and embrace compassion for those who have suffered immense hardship. We can advocate for policies that provide safe havens, support humanitarian aid effort, and promote integration into host community. Then the next one is environmental stewardship. On the other hand, it is our responsibility to care for the planet and its resources. It involves recognizing our interconnectedness with the natural world and taking action to protect it for our future generation. Climate change, deforestation, and pollution are pressing issues that threaten the delicate balance of our ecosystem. By embracing environmental stewardship, we can make conscious choices in our daily lives to reduce our carbon footprints, conserve water, and energy production. And we can advocate for the policies that prioritize clean energy and environmental protection. So, in conclusion, empathy and environmental stewardship are not merely abstract concepts. They are essential tools for addressing the challenges of our time. By cultivating empathy, we can bridge divides and build a more compassionate and inclusive world. By embracing environmental stewardship, we can safeguard our planet and ensure a sustainable future for all. Let us commit to living these values, to inspire others, and to work together to create a better world for ourselves and for the generation to come.